What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging to do with you guys. This package was sent to me by my buddy Jeff. His generosity is seemingly endless, and he told me, he said, hey, you know, I was doing some business with David Carver, and I think we have a knife that I unboxed the other day that's one of his, I think work something out with him, and or maybe I don't know exactly how that works. But what ended up happening is Jeff said, "Hey, I got something for you, something a little extra." So that thing has finally arrived today, and I am really excited about it. Jeff and I do this usual back and forth thing that it just seems meaningless now. Whenever I'm always like, Jeff, you don't have to do that, and at this point he's just kind of like, shut up and take it. So, oh gosh, that's cool. It's so cool. So Jeff showed me a picture of it. So what this is it's a little Damascus, a little like EDC fixed blade, a little like EDC Damascus chisel ground razor. I think it's a chisel ground EDC razor. How awesome. Oh, look at that pocket clip. I didn't realize there was going to be a Damascus clip on this. This is awesome. Oh, there's a little like, it's just like a little choil there. So yeah, this is sweet. It's got a little bottle opener. I mean, this is a sweet little EDC item. I love this little Kydex sheath that it comes with. You can put a little lanyard on there if you want, but this makes it pocketable. This makes it something that you can absolutely put in your pocket and use if you want to. This is great. I mean, I've always wanted to EDC a little fixed blade, and now I have an opportunity to do that. I mean, for what I use use my knife for every single day. Today we're carrying of course, the pair of 3. But for what I use it for every day, that's probably all the more edge that I'll ever need. Look at that Damascus, beautiful, nicely rounded off, not sharp on the corners or anything like that. Check out that pocket clip, awesome. Beautiful. Love the little bottle opener back there. Man, the pattern on that is just wonderful. I wish that I had my new lighting. Unfortunately, we do not have it yet. Let's take some of these out here. Some stickers. You can check him out at, I think it's, does it show? Yeah, here's his information right here. Carver Knife Co. on Instagram. But yeah, you can take a look at some of his stuff. And like I said, we've got a knife that Jeff purchased from him that I think is going to be shown on the channel next week. But this is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Jeff. I mean, your kindness is just endless. I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate, ultimately, all the help that you've given me with this channel. I feel like, I say this all the time, yet I don't say it enough. Jeff and my buddy Harry are, not that everybody watching isn't supporting in one way, shape, or form. Everybody who's watching is supporting me, but Jeff and Harry go above and beyond in support of this channel, and I just want to say thank you again, Jeff. It's really awesome what you're doing here, but anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.